Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a few cards today and see what we need to hear. Beauty is all around you. And a chakra card. Fourth chakra, compassion and forgiveness. I have compassion for myself and for those around me. I let go of anger, resentments, and torments from the past, and I do not give my power away to those involved. Forgiveness is a gift I give myself. I forgive myself for things I feel I could have done differently in the past, and I remind myself that my response could not have been any more involved than it was at the time. I am compassionate to those in need, as this shows them that they are not alone. I practice this by listening, sharing, understanding, and being of service. All right, which item envelope has our quotes today? Imagine a world where everyone loved who they were and no one wanted to be like someone else. When you mess up, beating yourself up about it makes it more likely for it to happen again. Compassion, then accountability, is how you create actual changes in your patterns. Start treating yourself like someone you love. J. Mike Fields. First, it's an intention, then a behavior, then a habit, then a practice, then a second nature. Then it's simply who you are. You do not need to earn love because you are love. Yes, yes. Remember that people love to their level of self-love. Communicate to their level of self-awareness and behave to their level of healed trauma. Do you agree? If the door closes, quit banging on it. Whatever was behind it wasn't meant for you. Consider the fact that maybe the door was closed because you were worth so much more than what was on the other side. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.